Full lesson, sir.
Yes, summary of the lesson you write in the note. Right? In your own words. You have to write the summary in your own words. Right?
So we can
Good
write
morning. Yes.
question answers,
Anil.
sir.
Yes.
So we can write
Amit
question answers, sir.
Kumar. Yes.
We can write question answers, sir.
Yes, you can write question answers. There is no problem. Whatever you feel like, you can write that. Those few
Sir,
questions which have been
yesterday
given there.
question and answers I have written, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Now, okay, let's go ahead with this. Shall we go ahead with the story? What is the
Sir, we
name of
should
this?
write lesson as well as question answer, sir.
See, lesson, that is a summary of the lesson, and question answers. You can write in your own words. If you don't write also, don't worry about that, because this time it's going to be MCQs. It's going to be MCQs. If you write that, it is for your understanding. You try to write that. Okay. Right. Okay. That I'll discuss about that later. All right. I'll just carry on with this particular lesson. What is the title of this lesson?
The friendly mongoose.
The friendly
Ah,
mangoes.
yes, the friendly mongoose. Right. Ah,
The friendly mongoose.
very good. Very good. See
The
here
friendly
at the
mongoose.
beginning. Yes, at the beginning.
Sir, there are no question answers of the first chapter, sir.
Yes, somebody. Yes, I will answer for all those. See, somebody's asked. Yes. All these questions. Okay, can he change the language from Kannada to Sanskrit? Yes, in that case, you can contact your Sanskrit teacher and you can contact, yes, your class teacher. Class teacher of is Kiran sir, you can contact and you can talk to them. Okay, right? Yeah,
Sir, what
yes, if
is
you want to
Yes,
mongoose?
switch
sir.
over to
The Tale
Sanskrit.
of Two Birds chapter question answer, sir.
Yes, questions, answers, yes, that you can write. Remember, we have seen enough questions, though this time it's going to be MCQs. So you need not worry about that. You can just write for your understanding. But I will tell you about that when it can be written. Once we complete both these, I will give that task. Okay? Right? Sunday is
Yes,
there.
sir.
So Sunday you can write both these. Okay, at the end of the class, I will tell about that. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes. About all these questions, you can ask on phone. There is no problem. This I will not discuss here. But yes, whether the school will allow, we don't know that. Whether you can change the language from Kannada to Sanskrit, that yes. Okay, fine. Now I am moving on to the story. The title of the story is The Friendly Mongoose. Remember, here the boys are from English medium. Most of the, there are a few boys from English medium. There are many boys from Kannada medium, and there are few boys from Hindi medium. But this is English class. Slowly we'll be switching over to only English. I'll not be using Kannada or Hindi. At the beginning, I have used that, but slowly we'll be switching over to only English. Remember that, okay? Because all of you, you should know, yes, you should know English. It's an English medium school, and all subjects will be taught in English. Okay, so therefore, English is very important. Those who are from Kannada medium, yes, Basavaraj, what are you trying to do? Yes, Basavaraj, stop all that.
No,
Otherwise,
sir.
will be removed. Then what is that? Yes, it is appearing on the screen, right? Okay. Now I'm coming
Sir,
down to this story. Yes, the friendly
sir,
mongoose.
I read this story yesterday only.
It's okay, fine, no problem. Don't worry about that. Okay, if you are read, you understood, but there are so many other students who are from Kannada medium, Hindi medium, they also should know. And they have to make, yes, they have to put in extra efforts. Okay, they have to put in extra efforts. ಯಾರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದವ್ರು ಇದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಂದಿ
Good
ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ
morning, sir.
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
Morning, sir.
because all these all the subjects will be taught only in English. Keep that thing in the mind. Only at the beginning I'll be using Kannada or Hindi. Afterwards I will not be using that. So here onwards for this lesson, when I'm starting for in I mean I'm going to speak in English, and maybe at the beginning for English medium students, for from Kannada medium students or Hindi medium students, first you listen. Afterwards I will explain them in Hindi or Kannada, but you all must try to learn, yes, English as fast as you can. Otherwise you'll face a lot of problems. Okay, remember. Okay.
Okay,
All those
sir.
who are from Kannada medium also, you can yes, you can try to give answers. So if you try to speak, then definitely it will be better. Okay, I'm just starting with this. Can you see here? What can you see here? uh, See, here is a farmer. Who is he? He is a farmer. Farmer means what? In Kannada, what do we say? Farmer? Reta.
Right.
और हिंदी में हम उसको बोलते हैं किसान. So here is a farmer. Okay. Here is a farmer and a farmer. What is there in his hand? What is there in his hand? Mungus is there. What is there in his hand? His hand. Mungus is there.
नेवला नेवला नेवला
नेवला,
नेवला
हिंदी में उसको नेवला बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. Now
नेवला
there
को
is,
मंगूस बोलते हैं मंगूस को नेवला
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now here is a woman. Who is there? There is a woman. And this woman is his wife. This farmer's wife is there here. Can you see her? Wife of farmer. So there is a farmer, and there is his wife. Who is there? His wife is there. Wife, बीवी. उसकी बीवी है ಅವನು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವ್ರು और ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಇದೆ, चाइल्ड इज है, सन. हाँ, उसका बच्चा है. और बच्चा कहाँ में? क्रेडल में. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्रेडल. दिस, हाँ, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? झूला. जो इट इज देयर इन क्रेडल, झूला. So small child is there in झूला. Yes. So there is a woman here. Yes, there is a woman here, and there is a husband here. Yes.
What this story Hindi or Kannada में है sir?
Yes. Tell. Yes. So there is a farmer, and his wife is there. Then they have a mungus, and then what else is there? There is a cradle. Yes, she's rocking the cradle. Rocking means what? Swinging. Rocking it है swing करना. वो अभी that she is pulling that, pulling and pushing. That is rocking. She is rocking the cradle. Can you see the cradle? Cradle का मतलब है झूला. हाँ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಕ್ರೇಡಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ ತಾಯಿ, ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ. Farmer. Yes. Then farmer's wife is there. They have a mungo. So it's a mungos. See, what are the pet animals? Can you tell the pet animals? Names of pet animals? Some
Dog, cat,
dog, cat. Okay, fine. But here now see. Fine. Very good. Very good, boys. Okay.
goat, sheep,
Now, but here they have
sheep,
kept. Okay, they have kept mungos as pet animal.
cat,
Yes, they have Punya Shlok. Stop. Yes, okay. All of you keep quiet now. Now they have kept mongoose as a pet animal there in the house. So
It
what
is a
happens to
movie
that
scene,
mongoose?
sir.
So here the story is dealing with that. Okay, story is dealing with that. Yes, can you see this? Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? I am just asking you.
यस सर
yes sir,
Sir, please,
yes sir, yes sir,
sir, we are able to read, sir. Please inform, sir. Sir, we are able to see, sir.
Vishwatej, I am noting down all those boys who are trying to do something there. Okay. Yes. All right. Some boys are joining very late now. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to the next one now. So let's see the slide here. So here, this story. Okay. Now here, main characters in the story. So there's a spelling mistake here. In this story, the main characters here. So there is a spelling mistake. I'll just correct it that. Right. So here, yes. I'll use black one here. So here, there's a spelling mistake. Okay. Right. So here main characters in this story. What are those? There's a farmer there. Then farmer's wife is there. Farmer's baby is there, and Mungus is there. So these are all important characters
can I
here.
speak?
Characters means कौन कौन है
who is
इसमें
the writer
पात्र?
of Panchtantra
Yes, tell.
Sir, snake.
Who is the writer of Panchtantra?
Who is the writer of Panchatantra? Panchatantra, yes,
Vishnu
Vishnu
Sharma.
Sharma. Yes, I think you are, yes, you should know that.
Sharma.
Who is the writer of Panchatantra? Who has written those stories? Vishnu Sharma,
Vishnu
isn't
Sharma,
it?
sir.
Vishnu Sharma. These are all old stories, okay? And
Sir, this
Sharma,
story
sir.
is a scene of
Vishnu
picture,
Dharma,
sir.
Dharma Sharma. Vishnu Sharma. So he's a writer of Panchatantra. Very
Sir,
good.
it is a,
Some of you have
sir,
tried to give answer also.
sir,
Yes.
it is a movie. Sir, it is a movie on this
Sir,
story, sir.
last year in GK, sir, this question had also
You
come, sir.
can, okay, fine. You can watch all that. Okay. Don't discuss about that. Later we'll discuss about it. Okay. So this story is taken from Panchatantra. This story is taken from where? Panchatantra. So this story is from Panchatantra. So this story talks about the human tendency to jump to conclusions hurriedly. So when you see something, suddenly you feel that, oh, it is because of that only it must have happened. And very interesting story. All of you probably you are familiar with this story, isn't it? So you know about this story. So anyway, this story talks about human tendency. We have got a tendency. हाँ, हमें टेंडेंसी क्या है कि कुछ भी देखा तो हमें लगता है कि रियली इट हैज हैपेंड लाइक दैट. So when we see something, we feel that, oh, it is true. So sometimes appearances are deceptive. See, I am addressing to English medium, otherwise other medium children also. So keep this thing in the mind. So here, the human tendency, हमें क्या लगता है, अरे जो भी देखते हैं ना वही सही है. Whatever we see, that is true. ಏನ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ನಿಜ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Actually, the fact will be different. So that's why here you should not hurry up. You have to appearances are deceptive. There's a beautiful saying also there. So this story also tells us how this tendency disturbs our life. So here what has happened there, this wife, see, wife suddenly what she has done a very bad thing. What she has done a very bad thing. What she has done later, at the end, what she has done, that we are going to see that. This moral is depicted through a farmer's wife. So the moral of the story is depicted or shown through the farmer's wife. Yes. Yes. Samruddha Desai. Yes. Probably turn off your mic because whatever is being talked in your house. Yes, that is heard by everybody. Samruddha Desai. Right. Okay. Now here let's go to the story. There is a story like how the story goes on. Let's see here. There was a farmer and there was his wife. There was a farmer and his wife. Can you see here? Farmer and his wife. ಒಂದು ರೈತ ಇದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇದ್ದಳು. एक किसान था और उसकी वाइफ थी और उसकी बीवी थी. दे लिव्ड इन अ विलेज. विलेज का मतलब क्या है? छोटा देहात. हाँ. Yes, ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಳ್ಳಿ. So live with their son. So they had a son. Can you see this son? Where is he? He is there in the
Yes,
cradle.
sir, beta.
झूला में. बेटा,
Beta.
बच्चा, बेटा. So बेटा, son. So he is there where in the cradle. झूला में है ना. This is called cradle. देखो ये जो है ना, this is called cradle. So this is cradle. Can you see this cradle? Yes, this is called cradle. ये cradle है. Okay, this is cradle. Okay. Right. So here, so they loved him very much. They, your father, mother, they love you very much, isn't it? So similar way, this farmer and his wife, they loved their son very much. One day the farmer said to his wife, we must have a pet. See, our child is a very small child. Our son is very small child. And he should have a pet animal. Children, they love pet animals very much. Cat, dog, puppies. They love that very much. So here the farmer was telling his wife, see, our child is a very small child. And it should have a pet. It will उसके साथ कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए ना, साथी चाहिए, companion, a friend, कोई तो दोस्त उसका कोई चाहिए. So companion, right? Right. Here, when our son grows up, he will need a companion. वो जब बड़ा हो जाएगा ना, when he grows up, उसको भी कोई साथी चाहिए. He needs a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. This pet means which pet? This pet will be this. Yes, mongoose. Mongoose will be his companion. ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ so that he will also grow up. His wife liked the idea. She liked the idea. She loved this idea. ये जो आइडिया है ना, वो जो युक्ति है ना, वो अच्छा लगा उसको. So she liked this idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. What did he bring? Brought. Brought is a past tense of bring. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ?
Tiny
Bring.
mongoose.
Mongoose. Tiny mongoose. Small mongoose. So he brought small
Small
mongoose with him.
mongoose.
Who brought small mongoose? Farmer brought small mongoose. Can you see this mongoose here? So you can see mongoose here. So who
Yes,
brought
sir.
farmer? Yes, mongoose is here. So he brought this small mongoose. Where? To the house. Now his wife said it's a baby mongoose. So they have a baby child, small child they have got. We have seen baby bird. Now here we are looking at baby child. Yes, babies. Now here young one is there, small child is there. Okay, son. Now it's a baby mongoose. So this mongoose is also baby mongoose. So you have seen baby bird. Now here we see a baby, and we are now here there is a baby mongoose. The farmer replied, the farmer answered. The farmer said, what reply he gave? What answer he gave? Reply means answer. So, wife said, no, that is a baby mongoose. Then farmer replied, what did he reply? It will soon be a fully grown mongoose. This mongoose, it will soon become very big one. This mongoose will become very big one. So he'll be grown. Grow. Grow का मतलब क्या है? हाँ? बढ़ना हो, बढ़ेगा. Yes, it will grow. Right. It will go. Yes. He will be a friend to our son, and he will become friend. So that's why friendly mongoose. He'll become friend over the period. They'll become very close to each other. They will have friendly relationship. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. So within 5 6 months, what has happened? This mongoose has grown to a big size. It has become a big mongoose. So when they brought the mongoose, it was a baby mongoose. But nearly 6 months have passed, and it. Samrudh Desai, can you mute? Yes, Samrudh Desai. Whatever is being talked, that is being heard, and it is disturbing the whole class. Samrudh Desai.
Mute all.
See, there is a problem with. I
Sir,
can
mute
just.
and block all.
Sir, you mute all of.
Okay. Right. Okay, fine. Right. So here the farmer replied, but it will soon be a fully grown mongoose. So he'll be a friend to our son. So what has happened over the period? The mongoose has become very big. He had grown, and he had grown to its a full size. It became a lovely animal. It became lovely means what? It became a beautiful animal. Lovely means beautiful animal. Who became a beautiful animal? This, yes, Sudin, yes. Like this animal, this mongoose became a lovely animal, became a beautiful animal with a bushy tail. And it's a tail full of hair. That's why bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. But this child was still in the cradle. This baby was still in the cradle. Even 6 months after 8 months, they will be there in the cradle only. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Sometimes it was sleeping, some other time it was crying. Yes, alternately. So sometimes it was crying, sometimes it was sleeping. Who was doing that? The baby was doing that. Okay. Now, what has happened later? Parents leave the child alone. They leave the child alone there. Why? Because wife wanted to go to the market. Where she wanted to go? She wanted to go to the market. फार्मर की जो बीवी है वो मार्केट को जाना चाहती थी. So she wanted to go to market. Who wanted to go to market? Farmer's wife wanted to go to market. She fed the baby. So she has fed the baby and rocked him, swinging. वो क्रेडल जो है ना उसको स्विंग कर रहे थे. So she went on screen so that the child will sleep. So when she wanted her son to sleep, what did she do? She went on cradling. So she went on cradling. Now she has picked up the basket because the child has slept. Who has slept? The child has slept. Where the child was sleeping? The child was sleeping in the cradle. So झूला में सुला के वो चली बसी. कहाँ गई? मार्केट को गई. Where did she go? She went to the market. और वो मार्केट ये हो दो. Picking up the basket, she said to husband. She picked up the basket. So when you go to the market, no, you will carry the basket with you because you want to buy grocery items. You want to buy oil. You know, your mother wants to buy oil. She wants to buy many other things. Yes, from the grocery shops. So she will go to the market and she'll buy all those things way inside the basket or inside the bag. She'll carry home. Okay. So now here, wife of farmer, mother of a child, what did she carry? She carried a basket. And what did she tell to her husband? Now, wife and feminine gender, yes, feminine gender is wife, and masculine gender is what? Masculine gender is
Husband.
मेल को क्या husband.
Farmer.
Okay.
Husband.
Husband. Okay. Right. So she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. I am going to the bazaar. Where am I going? I am going to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Who is sleeping? The baby is sleeping. So keep an eye on him. Take care of the baby. Look, keep watch on the baby. Keep an eye means what? Keep watch on the baby. Keep looking at the baby. Yes, don't leave the child alone with the mongoose. This mongoose is a grown up now. It's a big mongoose now. It is not a baby mongoose now. So don't leave the child alone. उसको अकेले को मत छोड़ो. ಅದು ಮಗು ಮಗು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಇರುದು ಬೇಡ. So with mongoose, so she was afraid. Who was afraid? Mother was afraid. So what did mother say? Keep watch on him. Keep watch on the child. Yes, you have to take care of the child. Take care of the child. Don't go anywhere else. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುದು ಬೇಡ, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು. Yes, who told? Wife told. Whom she told? She told to the farmer.
Husband.
So, to husband. Very good, Nitin. So she told to her husband. Okay. Now mother is there. Who is mother? Farmer's wife. Father is there. Who is father? Father, farmer. Okay, farmer. Then son. The farmer said, you needn't be afraid. You don't worry. You don't be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. Mongoose बहुत ही friendly है. दोस्त जैसा है, बहुत ही friendly है. Okay, it's as sweet as our baby. You know, when you love your puppy and all, you like it very much, no? And it will also love you very much, isn't it? So it's as sweet as a baby. So pet
Voice
animals
is
you
not
love.
coming, sir.
Yes. Are you able to hear me? Am I Lloyd?
Yes, sir. It is very clear, sir.
Very
Sir,
good. Very good.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So some of you may be having the problem, network problem.
Slow,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, don't worry about that. Maybe some network problem there in your place, wherever there you are there. So don't worry about that. Okay. Right. We'll go. Right. So don't leave the child alone. So the farmer said, you need not be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. There won't be any problem. It is as sweet as our baby. So this is a, yes, this mongoose is very sweet. So it will never trouble, it will never disturb, it will not do anything. They are the best friends. Our child and mongoose, they are the best friends. The wife went away and the farmer having nothing to do in the house. So farmer was quite sure. So farmer was quite sure that the mongoose will not do anything to the child. Farmer was quite sure that the mongoose will not do anything to the child, and farmer decided to go to his fields. So where the farmer will be working, the farmer will be working in the field. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್
ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ he will be working in his field. He will be working in the farm. Okay. He made some friends on the way back from the fields. So he went to the field, he went to the farm. Mother has gone to the market, she has gone to the bazaar, she wants to bring grocery items. Husband has gone to the field. Who is there in the house? Only child is there. only their son is there. Where is that son? Son is in the cradle. Where is he? He is in the cradle. Who is there in the cradle? Okay, you know what does cradle mean? Okay, fine. The wife went away. The farmer, having nothing to do in his house, decided to go to his fields. He made some friends on the way back from the fields. So when he was coming back from the fields, whom did he meet? He made some of his friends. The farmer made some of his friends. Who made some of his friends? The farmer made some of his
The
friends.
farmer.
The farmer. Very good. And didn't return home for quite some time. Yes, he didn't return home for long time. For quite some time means for long time. For quite some time, he did not return home. He did not come back. Who did not come back? Farmer did not come back. So for a long time, he did not come back home. Okay. So what we have seen so far, we'll just look at that. Okay, boys. Whatever we have seen just now, just we'll see that part. Okay. Okay. Are you able to see the screen now?
No, sir.
Uh,
No, sir. Only
no,
black.
no.
We can see, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it is able to can see, sir.
We can see, sir.
Okay,
We
fine.
can see, sir.
It's now clear.
It's clear, no, sir.
Visible and edible, sir.
It's no visible and audible.
Sir, that
Yes.
look
Gone, sir.
The screen went off, sir. Screen
Okay,
is
okay.
gone, sir.
Okay.
प्लीज आप नोट्स भेज देंगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे क्या
Right.
सर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे नोट्स भेज देंगे क्या
Notes, don't worry. I'll send it. Don't worry. Okay.
ओके सर
Right.
थैंक यू सर
Sir?
Let's move on to the next one. Now, what has happened? The mother comes back.
Story is finished.
Okay. The mother comes back. The
that
farmer's
screen is
wife.
not shown.
Yes.
Sir, we can't see what are you sharing.
Okay, okay. You are not able to see that. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी दैट
Okay,
सर
okay.
sir.
Maybe right. Don't talk this one. I'm just sharing it. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Sir, presentation gone, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Don't worry. Once again, I'll share that.
Sir, not available screen, sir.
Now it is. Are you able to see?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
To see.
Yes.
No,
Okay,
sir.
boys.
We can see.
Sir, we can see, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the
Yes, sir.
farmer's wife, she
Yes, sir.
finished
Now
her
it's
shopping. Okay, what she has done, she has finished her shopping. She went to the market, she did shopping, and she bought many things home. She came back home with a basket full of groceries. So she has come back home with what? Full of groceries. She has come back home full of grocery items. And when she saw the mungus was waiting outside, probably to welcome. Yes, the mungus was waiting outside. Mungus had done something in the house. What you see? Can you see her? On seeing her, the mungus ran to welcome her. So it was customary. It was usual thing. It
सर
was
ही
customary
हॉट
means yes, Satvik.
सर
Yes,
वी
tell.
सेंड फर्स्ट चैप्टर सर
Yes.
सर योर वीडियो इज अपलोडेड इन फर्स्ट चैप्टर
Yes, I will upload. Don't worry. So on seeing her, the mungus. When she saw the mungus, yes, when she saw the mungus,
Sir?
what she did?
सी हिट हर
Sir,
Yes. What is that?
In textbook there is bag fall on mongoose, sir. In your screen, sir, there is stick beating, sir.
What is that?
He's beating
Oh,
with
okay, okay.
stick.
Right. Don't worry.
He's telling.
Maybe this, okay. See here, there are different interpretations of that. Don't worry about that. You can follow that. There is no problem. Okay. So the farmer's wife, so stick. Actually,
Okay,
whatever
sir.
grocery item was there,
Okay, sir.
she has thrown on that, and afterwards she has beaten with that. Okay. First, what she has done that she has thrown that. So after seeing that, she came back home with a basket full of groceries, and she saw that Mungus was waiting there outside. And when she saw that the Mungus usually it is to what it is to welcome. So likewise only Mungus has done. Then the farmer's wife looked at the Mungus and she suddenly screamed. Suddenly she shouted. She suddenly cried loudly. She said, "Blood!" Because in the mouth of the Mungus, it was covered with blood. The face and paws of the Mungus. Cat will have a paw. Tiger will have a paw. No,
Panja.
जो हाथ पंजा. Oh, right. Paws of the mongoose. So it was smeared with means what? It was covered with blood. So face of the mongoose and paw of the mongoose was covered with blood. Smeared with blood means covered with blood. She was blind with rage. She was very angry. Rage means what? Angry. Anger. बहुत ही गुस्सा आ गया. किसको बहुत गुस्सा आ गया? Yes, this wife of the farmer, mother, and screamed hysterically. Suddenly, she shouted hysterically. Actually, there in the story, what is there? Whatever that was there in that this one basket, she has thrown that, and afterwards she has gone on beating. In that story, it is all given there. So she was so angry. So that's why first that basket she has just thrown that, and then after that, so here she was blind with rage because she was very angry. You wicked animal, you bad animal. Huh? Yes, you bad animal, you wicked animal, you cruel animal, you have killed my baby. So she was so angry. See, she has not gone and seen inside what has happened to the baby and all. What she has done, she has just seen that mongoose, and what she has done, she has killed that mongoose. With all her strength, जो भी ताकत है ना ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಗ್ತ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಗ್ತ್ ಇತ್ತು ತಾಕತ್ वो ताकत. So with that strength, what she has done, she brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. Correct? No, here also same thing is there, no? So she suddenly what has happened, whatever the basket, she has just thrown that basket. It is there here. So that heavy basket she has thrown, and afterwards she has picked up the stick and she has beaten that. So on the blood smeared mongoose, she didn't think anything else. She just thought, my child is killed by this mongoose. She had a doubt about the mongoose. Before leaving, she told her husband that yes, keep an eye. Yes, keep yourselves, keep watching the child, the mongoose. I don't trust. It is a full grown mongoose. Yes. And who thought like that? Mother thought like that. Yes. And yes. And what did she do? She killed. ಅದು ಸಾಯಿಸಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದವಳು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮುಂಗುಸ್ಗೆ. So kill means what? ಸಾಯಿಸುದು. Kill means what? मारना. किसको मार डाला? Yes, mungus को मार डाला. Okay.
Mongoose ko.
Mungus को मार डाला. We'll move on to the last part. The mother realizes her mistake. When she realizes her mistake, when she comes inside, she ran towards the child's cradle. After killing the mungus, she ran towards the child's cradle. And here she has come over here. Where she has come over here? Where the cradle is there, no, she has come over here. And what does she see there in this? The child was there in the cradle. Can you see her cradle? So what was there near the cradle? What was there? The child was fast asleep. The child was sleeping. ಆ ಮಗು ಮನ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. Yes, who was sleeping? The child was sleeping. Who was sleeping? The child was sleeping. ಮಗು ಮನ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. Yes, the child was sleeping. But
The
on
child
the
was
floor,
sleeping.
what was there in the floor? There was a snake that was broken into pieces, torn. It was broken into pieces and it was bleeding. The snake was bleeding. The snake was dead. हाँ वो मरा. यस, स्नेक का मतलब क्या है? सांप. वो सांप मरा हुआ था. हाँ, हाव. सांप. Snake means हाव. Okay, that was a dead. Can you see the snake here? Dead snake here. So that was torn. Yes, that was broken into pieces. By whom? Yes, Like a villain. Ah, snake is like a villain. Very good, Ishan. Yes, express like that. Very good. In the chat box, you can express. Okay, you can be active there. I'm very happy. So snake was, yes. Is it snake or that lady wife? Who is the villain here? Now villain, yes. Now somebody says snake is a villain. Now that you have to find out. Yes, Mungus is hero. Very good, Bimo. Yes, Mungus is hero. Right. Yes, Mungus is hero and villain. We have to find out villain. I'm very happy with this. Okay, very good,
There
boys.
are two villains.
Ah, so in a flash she realized
Snake
what
is
had
villain.
happened. Yes. Okay. She ran out looking for the Mungus. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. So who had saved the child? Actually, it was Mungus who had saved the child. But and actually this Mungus had killed the snake. हाँ मुंगूस ने उसका चाइल्ड को बचा दिया था, बचाया था। किसने बचाया था? चाइल्ड को, बच्चे को किसने बचाया था? मुंगूस ने बचाया था। एक्चुअली द चाइल्ड वाज लेडी इज द विलन। वेरी गुड। So what have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose. Who laid it? So the mongoose was a dead. It had died, and it was still. It was without any emotion, unaware of her sobbing. She was crying. So can you see her? She's crying. Can you see? She's crying because this mongoose who had saved her child, she had killed. Yes, the farmer's wife had acted hastily. This wife had acted hastily and rashly without thinking. She had done that. Rashly means without thinking she had done that. She stared at the dead mongoose. So mongoose was a dead here. Okay, it had died. The farmer's wife realized her mistake. She understood her mistake. Realize means what? She understood her mistake. She realized her mistake. उसकी जो गलती है उसको समझ में आ गया. So ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಳು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. And repented. ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪ ಆಯ್ತು ಅವಳಿಗೆ. Repented, but it was too late. Okay. Then she heard the baby crying, wiping her tears. ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಶ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅಶ್ರು जो बह रही थी उसने वाइप किया. She went into him. So what is the moral of this story? Look before you leap. Now for all those who are from Kanda medium students, and yes, for their sake, I am just going to those words, and all others also what you can do. Yes, I'm going into that again. We'll just see those words what we have come across. Farmer इधर यारो farmer रहता. Kisan, farmer का मतलब all those who are from Kannada medium and Hindi medium, they can take down, they can write in their own language. Okay, R.I.P. Gurraj, R.I.P. Mungus. Okay, R.I.P. Yes, rest in peace. Pity, yes, very pitiable. Okay, all right. I am very happy with those who are from English medium also. Okay, now gender. That question may come like wife, man, woman, wife, husband, gender. Okay, wife, husband, right? So wife, patni, biwi, wife or husband. Yes, husband, pati, right? Village, gaon, ಸಣ್ಣ ಊರು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಊರಿಗೇನು ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so those who are from Kannada medium listen to me, or and those who are from Hindi medium also. Yes, all these words you can write in your own language. Okay, no, there's no need for you. Yes, you can write the meaning in English or you can write in your language. Pet animal, pet animal, your पालतू प्राणी जो है ना पालतू, like dog, cat, they are all pet animals. Yes, pet animal. And mungus was their pet animal. Grow, yes, grow, what do we say in Hindi? Grow का मतलब क्या है हिंदी में और कन्नड़ा? Growing,
ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದು
ah,
ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದು
okay, right, ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದು, ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದು, right. Grow, past tense form of grow is grew, and past participle form is grown. Okay, grow, grew, grown. Then like, see, this word is very important in yes, science. Grow, liked, loved. Mungus is hero. Very good. So bring means lana, bring takon barudu, bring, all brought, and past tense form of bring is brought. Okay, let's move on to the next one now. We'll see next. Yes, we are going right. Month, maina, month. Then lovely. Yes,
friends are side actor.
lovely, lovely, beautiful. Sleep, sona, sleep. Crying. Okay. Then cradle, cradle, बच्चे सुलाया था ना cradle में. Yes, झूला उसको बोलेंगे, हाँ, market. Okay, market. Market, I think you are familiar with all that word. Market, rock. Rock, here, rocking means what? Swinging the, yes, rocking is here, swinging.
Sir,
Presentation gone, sir.
Yeah, somebody is trying to do something there. Okay,
sir.
done. Okay, fine. Okay, month. Then sleep,
Sir.
crack, cradle, market, rock. Then basket. You know the
Grown.
grown. Basket, then decide. निश्चित करना, decide. Okay, we'll move on to the, because time is less. So field. Field का मतलब है farm. Yeah, field, farm. गद्दे, run, ran.
So what is the meaning of
Run,
blanking?
भागना. Return, come back.
Brought.
Return.
वापस आना
Some. Okay, and last few words. Now finish, complete the work, finish the work. Grocery items. Okay,
Finish,
grocery
khatam.
items from the
What was
grocery shop. You
what
bring the
वाला
grocery
page
items.
दिखाइए sir.
Paw of the tiger, cat, smear, cover, covering. Okay.
पंजा
Panja, paw. It's smear. Smear means cover. Smearing, covering something.
पंजा
Rage, anger. Gussa ana, rage. Okay. Blind, becoming blind with, she became blind with the rage. Okay. Now
చూడు
strength, takat, and realized, understood. She understood that she had committed a mistake, and she repented over that. And actually, what had happened? Who had saved the child? Molos had saved the child. Okay. We are seeing a number of words also. Write all these meanings in your own language. Okay. Thank you. Bye, boys. Everybody else will write.
Thank you, sir.